Hi, it's Sue with Survival. This is camping series number 4. This is the where. I decided to bring you to the back of the lake today again so you could listen. You hear that? That's our creek. Yeah, we've had a lot of rain. It's our little creek back here. Sounds huge, but it's not that big. But boy, what a place it would be to camp next to this. I like to be next to the water because I love to hear the sound of it. Now, it doesn't matter where you camp. You can camp in your backyard. That's a good place to start with your kids. Throw the tent up, throw the tarp up, whatever. Put your sleeping bags on your back porch and sleep, for heaven's sakes. I mean, weather doesn't matter. You're close to home. But you could get out. You could go to the woods. You could go to the parks. Find somebody who's got land. Ask them if you can camp out there, especially if they have some water out there where you can get out there and fish and enjoy that part of it. Camping doesn't matter where you go, as long as you're legal. Don't go there illegally. But the sights and the sounds that are around, that's what makes camping fun. Sometimes it's very, very quiet and surreal. Other times, it sounds like you're at the Niagara Falls like it does here. It's kind of funny because it's just our pipes at the back of the lake that carry the runoff when it's too full. And we have beavers out here and they love to keep it dammed up, so we have to come out here and unclog it from time to time. But boy, it sounds so good after a good rain where you could come out here. This would be the place to put your tent. This would be the place in the summertime to hang your hammock and just listen to the sounds out here. I'm going to try to include several clips on here that I've made in the past few days with the rains and the things that are around, and maybe you can enjoy them. This won't be a long one because, after all, where you decide to go is up to you. The fact is, get out there, go camp. Find somebody to go with and have a good time. Happy trails, guys.